Connecting the Bedrock Elite i10 to a computer. The Bedrock Elite i10 supports both wired and wireless connectivity, offering flexibility for different environments. It can be connected via USB cable or wirelessly through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and also comes with built-in GPS functionality. In this demonstration, we'll walk through a simple connection process using a USB cable, allowing you to control and display data from the Bedrock Elite i10 on your computer via the Bedrock Studio software. To get started, simply connect the USB cable to your Bedrock Elite i10. Once connected, open Bedrock Studio on your computer, and select Connect. The data from your device will immediately be displayed on the screen, allowing for real-time monitoring and control.